Hello students, welcome to Economicspedia. Today I am here with a very disheartening news related to the examination of Indian Economic Services 2020. There has been an update on the UPSC official site later night yesterday, that is on 10th of June, post 8 p.m. approximately. The notice says that there will be no examination of Indian Economic Services this year, 2020, due to no vacancy in the Ministry of Finance. Yes, this is the news that has been updated related to the examination of Indian Economic Services 2020. However, this news is not affecting anything to the Indian Statistical Services because the examination is going to conduct on 10th of October 2020, and the notifications related to the form fill up and other important details are also being updated in the UPSC site. So for the Indian Statistical Services there has been no change, but for the Indian Economic Services, as there is no vacancy, there will be no examination. We can understand that this news shatters all the aspirants who have been preparing day and night for the past 1 year, and we feel it. And because of this, we are here to let you know that we, the team of Economicspedia, are always there for you, beside you, to not just to give you the support in your studies, but also to support you in this darkest time of the era, we can say. And as they are saying that 2020 is a year that is giving us surprises which are mostly negative in some unusual ways that we can really think of. So that is why this really raises a question of the examination in the next year, right? Many of you must be thinking, well, for the year 2021, there has been no update related to the examination, but it is saying that as there is no vacancy in this year, but this does not let us any indication that there will be no vacancy in the next year as well. So exam will be conducted in the next year, but not this year. Now this news, all news have some pros and cons. So let me tell you the positive side, that this gives us another 365 days to prepare and give more than 100% that we can give. And it also leaves us with a sad news for those who were facing that this year, who were having this year as the last chance to appear for the exam. I really hope that UPSC will be thinking something on this perspective as well, because this is an issue that needs to be taken care of, and we can only expect that these issues also should be taken care of. But ultimately it is their call to decide whether to give the permission to them or not, who had this year as the last year to appear for the exam. So this is an update for regarding the Indian Economic Service Examination 2020, and with a very heavy heart I am saying this news. And at the end, we from the Economicspedia want to say that this is just one of the darkest time of the era, as I've already mentioned, but we should not be broken down and get shattered, because it is the time we need to hold ourselves, because there is a saying that the knowledge never get wasted. So your hard work or your dedication will be get paid off very soon. Just keep the positive spirit up, because that can let us go in this hard time. And we from the Economicspedia will also like to let you know that we are here for you at every situation. And please feel free to contact us at our official mail ID, that is ecopedia@gmail.com. You can find the details, that is the notice that has been updated by the UPSC, and the site as well in the description box. If you want, you can check it as well. Thank you for watching this. See you in the next one.